it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to style your scarves. So if you can notice on my Instagram, I sometimes use my scarves to spice up my whole look. So part siya ng OOTD ko and it makes me look more stylish. Meron tayo sa neck, meron tayo sa hair, meron din tayo sa mga accessories. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I have new videos like this. And flex ko lang yung gawa ng friend ko. I love you guys. This is actually my photo from a trip and she made it digital. I don't know how she made it like this. So, basta yun. Ayun. I'm so happy lang kasi that's why I want it to be part of my vlog. And this is also framed by Cray, my favorite brand. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So, iwan ko muna siya dito. Stay. Anyway, I have here with me my scarf. So, it's kind of big. Ganun talaga siya. Para siyang bandana. And any material will do. Pwedeng silk, cotton, any material nga. As long as it's big, the bigger, the better. Okay, let's proceed with look number 1. First step is to fold your scarf into a triangle like this. And then fold it mga ganito ka-thick. So, parang ganito siya. Ayan. And let's wrap it around my neck. And tie it. So, this is how I tie it. I hope masundan niyo siya. Then, sinushoot ko siya sa may harap. There you go. So, it's like this. You can do it in the middle. Pwede rin siyang sa side. And, pwede niyo siyang sikipan if you want it a little bit higher. There. That's your look number 1. Okay, so let's proceed with look number 2. Fold it into triangle again, but this time, hindi siya thick, thinner. I want it thinner. Something like this. Yan, ganyan ka-thin. And we will wrap around our neck, pero starting here. And then, put it back in front. And this is where you tie them. Kaya, mas manipis because kung mas makapal yan, baka mainitan kayo. So, not too tight. There you go. Yan, parang FA lang. Yan. For look number 3, we will use it on our hair. And you don't need to fold it properly like yung kanina. So, I like it messy. So, I'll just do this and ayan na siya. And this is the easiest way to style it on your hair. I always do this. So, go under your hair and tie it like this. There. Make sure it's tight para di siya malaglag. You can also do it one more time para mas masikip. Pero I like it better like this lang. And there you go. For look number 4, we will be needing a ponytail and some elastics. Bobby pins also, just in case you have a short hair like mine. It's because we are going to make a messy bun, kind of high messy bun. So let's start now. Let's get the scarf. So you don't need to fold it properly again. Just hold it in the middle and do this. Wrap it around your hair, tie it, there, have 2 sections like this. We will divide it into 2 parts. So this one we will braid ito. So we will have 2 sections of hair and The other one will be the scarf. I don't know if nakikita nyo, but I will start braiding them now. So, dito na nagtatapos yung hair ko. So, we will tie the end of it here. It's okay if the other one is longer and the other one is not. After that, we will wrap it around there and tie it. Make sure it's tight. And since I have shorter hair, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, I need to use a bobby pin to secure the hair na naiwan sa likod. So, there. For look number 5, we will still be needing the ponytails, the elastics, and the bobby pins. So, let's start with making some pigtails. Next is your scarf. You're going to insert it here. So you're just gonna make some space just above the ponytail and you're going to insert the scarf there. Nakita nyo ba? And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Pantayin nyo na lang. Ito na po, pantay na pa siya. Yan. And then, after that, do some braids. So, once you're done, ito na siya. Medyo na. Igaganon natin. I-crisscross natin siya at the back. So, we're gonna yan. There. And we will tie it above. There. This is how it looks like on the side, and this is how it looks like at the back. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron talagang mga matatanggal like this one. It's because I have a short hair. Kaya kailangan din ng bobby pins. So, unlock it here. So, ayan, na-bobby pin ko na sila, yung mga malilikot na hair. There you go! So for look number 6, we are going to make a tie knot headband. Make the scarf triangle and then fold it like this and make a knot. There. So as you can see, meron siyang extra here, so you will just tuck it in. There. So, may ganyan ka na. Tie your hair. Labas nyo na yung mga gusto nyo ilabas. And put the knot here and tie at... Oops. Again. At the side. I like it on the side. Pwede rin naman siya sa middle. Tanggalin yung hair niyo. Like that. For look number 7, ito yung parang mga boho, pirates, ganyan. Fold it like this. Huwag niyo isasagad yan. And just tie it at the back. And fix it. So just above the eyebrows, better. And you can also put it on the side. Twist it lang. There. Okay, for our next look, vintage inspired. Gantong fold ulit siya, and then put some shades. You can also use your scarves on some of your accessories, like the summer hat. You can wrap it around and tie it. So, pwede nyo siyang gawin ganyan. You can also use it sa bags. Tie it here. So, parang ganito. You can also use the scarves as belts. Pwede nyo rin siya i-tie doon sa pants, sa insertion ng belts. Pwede nyo siya i-ribbon doon. You can be creative as much as you want kasi itong scarves naman, very, what do you call this? Flexible. Diba? You can put it anywhere. You can put it on your wrists, and the way you tie them, ikaw bahala. It makes you look so stylish. That's why I really love scarves. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you want me to make more videos like this, just let me know. Comment them down below. And let's say goodbye na. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!